our people. This is a safe proposition, we have told Australians time and time again. That confirmation is made by High Court judges and the finest lawyers in the land. There is nothing to worry about in respect of the constitutional law. And we've made the argument about how so crucial this measure is for closing the gap on disadvantage by giving our people a voice to the Parliament and the executive government in respect of matters relating to our people. We have explained uphill and down dale how so crucial this is for making progress on the social, economic and cultural well-being of our people. The